Hi everyone, this is Srimay, master's level specialized nurse, and today we are going to discuss something very interesting, maybe the foundation of nursing. हम हिस्ट्री क्यों पढ़ते हैं? मैं भी सोचती थी क्यों ये हिस्ट्री पढ़ना, लोग मरे किए गए, हमको क्यों पढ़ना है? बट आने वाले कल को अच्छे बनाने के लिए बीते हुए कल को जानना बहुत जरूरी है. दैट इज वाई नोइंग हिस्ट्री इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो अभी हम देखते हैं कि नर्सिंग हिस्ट्री शुरू कहाँ से होता है. इट वॉज एक्चुअली बैक इन द टाइम ऑफ 18th century. कब? So in that 18th century, it was actually only the women who were interested in caring for others. It was not a profession as nursing. Nursing बोल के कोई काम या कोई profession नहीं था, but लोग हमेशा या औरतें हमेशा लोगों का ध्यान रखती थी या केयर करती थी, जो हम लोगों की खूबी है. So the women used to take care, and that was nursing. That was termed as a caring part of the nurses. Now, during the early time, the entry of women was traced back in 300 AD, where the spiritual masters or the high class masters used to give certain instructions, or they used to tell how to take care. Those were a spiritual, philosophical preachings that was being given, and that was being considered and followed by the women. So, that was the caring part that the nurses were doing. उसके बाद आया मिडिल एज. बैक फ्रॉम 1100 to 1200 AD, it was the time when there was rise in charitable institutions. More of charity या फिर दान बहुत ज्यादा होने लगा, and there were people who were taken care for old age people and elderly people, handicapped people. They all were being taken care. So if we say during the middle age, it was more of charity work that was happening. So अगर हम quickly we will say that. So it was an early age, 300 AD, women were there. Middle age, somewhere in 1100 to 1200 AD, charity or charitable institutions were there. उसके बाद आया 15th to 19th century. 15th to 19th century में there was something as crusades. What they did, they started expanding the healthcare professional. They started seeing कि हेल्थ केयर प्रिवेंशन या हेल्थ केयर किसी को देना कितना ज्यादा हम दे सकते हैं. तो दे स्टार्टेड एक्सपैंडिंग द रीजन एंड दे ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हम कैसे केयर कर सकते हैं. दैट टाइम देयर वर हाई क्लास स्पिरिचुअल पीपल, जो हाई स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड वुमेन हु हैड अ गुड हाई सोशल स्टैंडर्ड्स, उन वुमेन्स को सिलेक्ट करते थे फॉर गिविंग केयर टू द पीपल. सो दीज वर द पीपल जो हाई स्टैंडर्ड सोशल केयर करने वाले वुमेन को अपॉइंट करते थे फॉर केयरिंग फॉर द पीपल. नाउ देयर वाज टू टाइप ऑफ केयर. दैट वाज वन इज अबाउट मेडिकल एंड अनदर वन इज नॉन मेडिकल. नाउ इन केस ऑफ मेडिकल, फ्रॉम द नेम वी अंडरस्टैंड इट वाज बेसिकली हेल्पिंग द पीपल. जो बीमार हैं उनका ध्यान रखने के लिए उनको बोलना, जो ग्रसित है उनको किस तरह की दवाइयाँ दी जाए. तो दे वर मोर अबाउट किस तरीके से केयर किया जाए. बट दवाई वाज नॉट मच ओवर देयर, बट इट्स ऑल अबाउट होलिस्टिक केयर और लाइक हम ओवरऑल एनवायरमेंटल केयर कैसे करें. इट वाज मोर अबाउट दैट. But non-medical, it was like personally hiring someone, and that person is only taking care of a one person personally. So that was of non-medical, and it was not only about healthcare, but it was about all the other course of work that they have to do. All the other chores like maybe cooking or washing clothes or anything else. So वैसा भी non-medical help also would be given. So for those women were being appointed. But in this time, after that, what started happening is during this period, there was rise in healthcare professionals, or there was rise in intaking of the nurses because of two reasons. So there was a steep rise in taking of nurses because of two reasons. One was the smallpox pandemic, and the other was Crimean War. In those, because of these two reasons, there was a high rise in need of nurses, and rise होने की वजह से there was a good increase in economic value. The economic value of nurses started to rise at that period of time. But इस टाइम पे ये चीजें जो नर्सिंग का था, it was nothing was written, or it was nowhere it was in फॉर्मल एजुकेशन, कुछ लिखा हुआ नहीं था, बट इट वाज मोर ऑफ अ स्पिरिचुअल केयर। तो वो लोग स्पिरिचुअली कुछ प्रैक्टिस करके बोलते थे और उसी स्पिरिचुअल केयर को जो फीमेल्स होती थी वो आगे प्रीच करने लगती थी। तो वो स्पिरिचुअल केयर के तरीके से दे वर थिंकिंग ऑफ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ पीपल। सो इट वाज मोर ऑफ स्पिरिचुअल एंड फिलॉसफी, जहां elderly priest used to say their preachings and that was carried forward. During all this 15th and 19th century, till that time, there was nothing written, no formally documented care for nurses was being written. So I'll note it again here. 15th to 19th century, no. So 15th to 19th century mein, there was nothing written as nursing education. So the senior nurses used to preach or the experienced nurses used to tell something and that was being followed by the juniors. So that was all about 19th century. अगर आपके कोई suggestions है, you want us to discuss on any topic, please let us know and we would be discussing on that. Meanwhile, we would be continuously discussing about ANP, that is एडवांस नर्सिंग प्रैक्टिस, ताकि नर्सिंग की लाइफ थोड़ी इजी हो जाए. टिल देन स्टे सेफ, स्टे हैप्पी एंड प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब Nursing the Code Book. Thank you.